Real-life examples of slope stabilization projects. When we talk about slope stabilization, it's not just an engineering concept. It's a life-saving necessity in many parts of the world. Let's look at some real projects where engineers tackled dangerous slopes and made them safe. 1. Hong Kong's Landslide Prevention and Mitigation Program. Hong Kong is a city built on steep hills and experiences heavy rain every year. This combination often triggers landslides. Since the 1970s, Hong Kong has launched a large-scale program to inspect, upgrade, and stabilize slopes across the city. They use reinforced concrete retaining walls, soil nails, and improved drainage systems. The result? A significant drop in landslide incidents and better safety for hillside communities. 2. Vejan Dam area, Italy. In 1963, a massive landslide near the Vejan Dam caused one of the most tragic disasters in history. Learning from this, engineers later implemented slope stabilization measures in nearby regions, including terracing, rock bolting, and continuous monitoring systems. These steps ensured that similar catastrophic slope failures would not occur again in the same region. 3. Sikkim-Darjeeling Highway, India. This road passes through the Himalayan foothills, an area prone to frequent landslides during the monsoon. Engineers use bioengineering techniques, like planting deep-rooted vegetation, along with retaining walls and surface drainage to keep slopes stable. This combination of nature-based and mechanical solutions made the road safer and more reliable year-round. 4. U.S. Highway 101, Oregon Coast. Sections of this coastal highway have experienced repeated slope failures due to heavy rains and unstable soils. In one project, engineers installed large soil nails, shotcrete facing, and deep drainage pipes. They also added rockfall barriers to protect vehicles from falling debris. These improvements have kept the highway open and safe, even during storm seasons. 5. Kaikoura Coast, New Zealand. After a 2016 earthquake, massive landslides blocked roads and rail lines along the Kaikoura Coast. The slope stabilization solution included rockfall protection fences, anchor bolts, and reshaping unstable cliffs. This allowed the transportation network to reopen within months, restoring vital links for residents and tourism. Key lessons from these projects. Early intervention saves lives. Regular slope inspections can prevent disasters before they happen. A mix of methods works best. Combining mechanical supports like soil nails with natural measures like vegetation is often more effective. Drainage is critical. Water is a major trigger for slope failure, so managing runoff is always part of stabilization. Monitoring never stops. Even after a slope is stabilized, sensors and inspections ensure long-term safety. In short, real-life slope stabilization is about more than just engineering. It's about protecting communities, preserving infrastructure, and learning from the past to build safer futures.